In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix no sound on your Samsung phone. It's a very simple method, so if you enjoy this video and it helps you, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, you might not have sound on your Samsung device and you might not know why. So the first thing you want to do is you want to swipe right on the right corner, and then you're going to see a few different options. So make sure your phone is actually on volume. You can also, change the scale over here if you want to change what your music sounds like or anything like that. So let's just say we put this up, but if it's still not working, you want to head on over to your settings. And the first thing I would recommend doing is going over to connections and making sure that you're not connected to any Bluetooth devices. So right now it says connected to Galaxy Buds. Let's just turn Bluetooth off for now. It says you won't be able to connect to nearby devices using QuickShare. So I'm going to turn it off for right now. And then from there, definitely try and see if your sound's working. And if it's still not working, you want to stay in your settings and head down to sounds and vibration. And then once you're here, you're going to see a lot of different options. You might be muted or you might be on vibrate. So you want to make sure that you have sound on. You can also vibrate while ringing. And then I would go over to system sound. I can, change this however I want to as well. You should be hearing some sound at this point. And then under system sound, you're going to see volume. So this is a great area because you can change your individual volume for different things. Your ringtone, obviously, AI assistant, and your alarm. So you can customize it exactly how you want. So just make sure that these aren't like just completely muted or anything like that.